Where's the F80 M3?
It's actually at the house. Yeah, I don't want
It's actually right here.
Yeah.
Hold on. The Nathan Specs. F80 M3. Clean as fuck. You're humble today. Look at this food. $40. That was a half a tank and I only paid almost $30.
Hey, how much is gas here?
Damn, I already started, man. We just got here.
Bro, the spot got burned and it's barely 8:50. Bro, it hasn't even started. It's 8:55.
The gang's all here. We got the SI, Camaro SS, another SI, and then another SI. We got the whole gang. Ooh.
Damn! You didn't see the SI? That was
I think mine's better. Or maybe I'm just jealous. Are you Jesus? I'm good, bro.
Come on.
I'm good. That's all him right there.
I'm good. I'm chilling.
You're not gonna say yes to Jesus. Who are you gonna say yes to?
My mom.
That's crazy.
Do those wheels, Nathan?
They're nice on that car. They're nice on that car.
It looks sick.
And a two-step.
This one's a little strange, but I fuck with it. It's the minion spec.
That's what I need.
Holy fuck.
Wait, I think it's like carbon wheels too. Oh, no, it's not. It's just
No.
regular.
It's just as good. Jesus, the whole rear. Ew. The GVC spec. The stable Ronaldo spec right here. What?
My kind of car right here, man. Don't
This is the
play.
minion car
This
right
is my
here.
car right here.
This is a Skyline, no? It's like the first
This is a
Skyline.
Honda. This is Honda Civic.
No way. There's also a Skyline like this. What's a Toyota? Oh, Nas. Jesus Christ.
All over you.
Oh, this is a Japan front end. Oh, this is imported too.
Take it to the junkyard.
Damn, salvage title. All over Eric.
Look,
This
see,
could
like,
be
that's
Eric.
wheels without
Oh.
loading springs. That's wheels
See,
without
Eric,
loading
right
springs.
there is
God.
an example of what not to do. Oh, you approve this one?
Hell nah, that's a takeover mobile.
That's a crowd killer. You got this one. Oh, salvage title. That one's hard, but it's on bags. And then you got the other takeover. Then we got this one. And it's slow. The 400Z. This one's for sale. There's Ignacio. Come on. He's out. He's only asking 21.
Ego boost.
Luis right here.
Sick ass. Smart.
Luis and Gio Willie. Nathan right here. Which one you picking? The E92? The what is that? The FA?
I like that purple. Bro, that fucking monster was a pre-workout. This bitch got me itchy as fuck.
This one right here is insane.
That's what I slowed down because I was like.
Can't see shit though. It's all dark. Gee, is this like the individual color right here, or paint?
I think it's garage. It's like it's hinted.
Is this the carbon fiber? Even the carbon fiber plate, carbon fiber diffuser. Damn, they got money. This one's nice. Oh, they just came back from the car. Oh, look at the wheels. I fuck with those. Damn,
That's the big ball, the 10 bands. 10 bands. Damn. Hey, low key though, that walk around shot would be crazy.
Yeah, there's goddamn light. Oh, they got all the bikers here. Prepare yourself. Prepare yourself for the next 15 minutes. Damn. Oh my god. That's Origins right there. I feel like Origins is just a bikers, bro. Oh hell no, bro. It has begun.
Dude, an extra fucking Dina.
This is insane.
Crazy.
The wheels, the chromes, are absolutely gorgeous.
Nah, they're not
That's
$4,000.
crazy.
What do you mean? These are like $4,000. Oh my god.
TC4s, yeah, they're like 5K, 6K. Hey,
This will
look
be
at
my
the
car right
fitment.
here. Damn. Flexing on the maters. I swear, all Beamers right here. Damn. Jesus Christ.
Hold on. God damn, bro, it's my whole fist in there. M3CS? San Marino blue.
San Marino blue. There's another blue. What the hell? How many blues are there? Yasmarina, Laguna,
Damn.
Tanzanite.
Yeah, Tanzanite blue.
And which one's this one?
There's Laguna Seca blue. There's Mexico blue.
Mexico blue? I know it looks like they didn't wet sand it. Like they painted it, but didn't wet
It's
sand.
frozen paint. It's frozen paint.
Ah.
So it comes like this from factory.
I fuck with it. I actually like it. Nathan, can you just get one already, bro?
Yeah, you got 80K.
80K, Joe. Really?
That's how much they are.
I got like 15.
Dollars. What the? I'm cold. My hands are freezing. I don't want to hold the camera no more. Scratch the whole video. I'm going over.
You know what I'm saying? I'm leaning back.
A 350Z here with RPF4s.
This is an HR. This is the motor you want. Unlike the DP.
Oh, alright. We're on the next spot. Let's go. Flames over there. Man, by the time we get there, it's gonna be like done, and then we're not gonna be able to see. Everyone's going. Oh! Oh my god. Your turn.
My car does that.
No, it is not.
Not as loud, but it does that.
Where'd you get a Burble to?
I'm not Martin. Oh. Hashtag Jose too. No.
He's like, they have no space for the neon.
No. Oh, 240? Oh my god. Oh, that's a surprise spec right there. I'm not no mechanic. Oh my god, what is going on? What the fuck is going on? JDM right here. I need an S15, bro.
It's called Anthony, bro. Evo Anthony.
Damn, all over Isaiah. Damn, this shit's beautiful, man. Frozone is crazy.
me with
Salvage
Francisco.
title. Oh my god. Whoa.
And he,
Some good angles, bro. Oh! I've been shot. Yo! It scared the fuck out of me. Damn, they hear a couple. Everyone moving. They all moving. Oh, we're going too? I was just making fun of them. Be like, they hear one shot and they all start moving. Yo, Willie! Bro, we're not making it, bro. We are not. Oh, now they're here.
Uh-oh.
Now that we move,
Uh-oh.
let's go to the front now. We gotta go to the front now. Hey, they're gonna fuck us for spectating. Oh God. Oh my God, they got everyone.
Hey, I'm not gonna lie, we might be cooked.
Oh, yeah, we might be fucked.
Oh my God, we're so fucked.
Buses, we're walking away, bro.
Fuck yeah. They're all going over there. Fuck, we're actually fucked, dude. We're parked all the way in the back. Hey, you gotta save us. Let's go. Clocked out, bro. They're clocked out.
To the car.
Oh, we out. We out. We're trying to leave, but they blocked off all over there, so no one could come out the freeway, and they're forcing everyone to go out the freeway. I'm telling you, they blocked off every single fucking lane, and everyone to go to the freeway.
Damn, cooked. Did you spin in second? What the fuck?
No, I was like, why the fuck is it?
You know what I'm saying? I'm leaning back.